Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Kenny here, and I'm just gonna jump right into the video. What we're doing today is we're trying out the Revlon Power Dry Balm with Styler. I've been seeing these Revlon blow dry flat iron brushes every freaking time I go on TikTok, so I bought it. Ooh, so let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so apparently it's better to use this with damp hair. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle and I'm gonna section my, because I washed my hair last night and I was gonna do this last night, but I just really didn't feel like it. So let me get the spray bottle so I can wet my hair. Alright, I'm back with the spray. I'm gonna section my hair. Well, hold on, let me plug this bitch in first. There we go. Have me. I'm not forgetting heat protectant. I'm gonna go put some on. Who I thought I was. Okay, y'all.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'm a sleep, a decoration. Mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I want.
My hair really hasn't been blow dried since I cut my hair. And I think it's like the same way. You know what? Might be a little bit longer. I don't even remember. I think I have to like check and see. Okay, Revlon. Alright. Now I gotta go borrow my sister's flat iron. Hopefully she says yes. My sister has informed me that I didn't get all the way to the root of the thing. But you know what? I've only blow dried my hair 5 times. I personally, I don't care.
What I said!
I just said what I just said.
I said what I said!
Look at that hourglass figure though.
You fucking wish. Fucking cut you. Perverts. Okay, bye.
They're not going to hear none of this. It's going to be sped up.
Imagine. Imagine how that's gonna hear sped up.
The pitch is not going to be on. It's going to be music.
Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. Come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got what's trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, right. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my
Diamonds on my records. Since 16, I was coming down with Lexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, who ain't got some library. What about my body? You know about my body? I'm in the house all alone. You rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body. Nigga, like I'm nobody. You don't need to cross. Let's go. It's time to go. He wanna roll.
Right, the hair is done. Ooh. It's not a silk press, and that's okay because I don't need a silk press. I want my curls back after I wash my hair. Good job. It only took me an hour to blow dry and straighten, and I'm used to like 3+ hours, especially when my hair was longer. Why? I see this as an absolute win. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really wanted to try. I just really wanted to try the Revlon thing. So guys, if you guys were on the fence about buying this, buy it. Buy it. My hair was in the twist out when I started. I got like 3V hair. I've seen girls with 4C hair. Buy it. Buy it. Alright. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try anything next. If you have any like things that you were on the fence about buying and you don't want to spend your money on it yet, I will happily sign up to buy something unnecessary. That's what I'm here for. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe if you're not. Put post notifications on. I try to upload on Fridays. Hoping to upload a video every week. I'm getting there slowly but surely, but we're on there. And that's it. Everyone have a great day. I love you all. Don't do anything I want to do. Peace.